Hi there. Your supplier information is entered in the inventory. You can have more than one supplier, record information of wholesale prices, how many items you would like to order, and lots of other useful facts. Do watch the YouTube tutorial on Smokin Donut's YouTube channel for Tillex inventory system on how to fill it in at deep dive level, but we're just going to look at chocolate. And don't forget, you can add as many suppliers as you need. Make sure you add them at top level, at category level, so that it filters down to the item level. Click on the category item and then click on the tab Supply. Then click the plus button to add your supplier. Always enter the name of your supplier. Then search for the supplier in the database. If they don't pop up when you start typing their name, then they haven't been entered. Click the plus button to enter them. Notice this is to create the supplier, so you only need to do it once. So if the supplier is missing and you've filled the form in, you can then fill in the options for that particular item. Remember, you're talking about the cost of a chocolate bar, the minimum order quantities, the maximum order quantities, the order code and the lead time. And you can add more than one supplier depending on who you're buying from that month. Prices may well change. You can edit them here in the inventory, or when you raise a purchase order, or check in a delivery. To do that, click on the calendar. And let's look at editing the details in a purchase order. Do watch the tutorial on how to fill in a purchase order, but if you want to update the details in the inventory for costs, at purchase order stage, make sure the button is checked. It's called Create, Update, Supply Options. So if you haven't created a supplier in the inventory and you want to, you can do it here. And the same applies to a delivery. When you're checking in a delivery and the details are changing, the cost, etc., then make sure the button at the bottom left-hand corner is checked to update details. And don't forget, you can always book a training session with one of the Tillex team.